Mazda's CEO is releasing a brand new $7,000 K-Truck that delivers exactly what US buyers have been begging for. If you feel like affordable utility vehicles simply don't exist anymore, this tiny Japanese workhorse is designed specifically to solve that problem. While most new pickups now cost a fortune and come loaded with luxury features you don't need, this compact rig focuses on pure capability and practicality for a fraction of the price. Cargo bed that'll surprise you. Anyone who hauls materials knows the frustration of trying to load heavy items into modern trucks. Today's pickup sits so high that loading bags of concrete or generators requires extreme lifting. Your back pays the price after a long workday. Even worse, most truck beds only open from the rear, forcing you to walk around constantly. That's where the Scrum changes everything. The cargo bed stretches 76.4 inches long and 55.5 inches wide. 4-foot fencing posts fit easily. Multiple hay bales load without issue. The bed deck sits just 25 to 30 inches off the ground. You slide heavy items directly onto the platform with minimal effort. Here's the real game changer. All three sides of the bed fold down completely. Most trucks offer only a rear tailgate. This truck provides left, right, and rear access. Operators can use forklifts from any angle. The bed essentially transforms into a true flatbed platform. The bed uses high-tensile steel with factory protective coating. Many models include integrated rubber mats. Payload capacity reaches 771 pounds for standard models, while specialized farming configurations handle up to 1,500 pounds. That's enough for half a cord of seasoned firewood, 15 to 20 bags of concrete, or several hundred pounds of feed. The rear leaf spring suspension maintains stability under full loads, and if you think a standard flatbed is impressive, wait until you see the specialized variants Mazda offers. Configurations: versatile and flexible. Most small trucks force you into one configuration. Need a dump function? That means expensive aftermarket modifications. Want enclosed storage? You're looking at thousands for a custom cab. The Scrum takes a different approach. The standard two-door truck represents just one option. Mazda offers dump truck configurations with hydraulic bed lift systems. These unload up to 1,500 pounds of soil, gravel, or agricultural waste effortlessly. No more shoveling out loads manually. The scissor lift variant takes utility even further. The bed raises vertically several feet into the air. Nursery operators stock high shelves directly from the truck. Tree pruning becomes possible without separate ladders. The farming package brings serious off-road capability, as part-time four-wheel drive includes dedicated high and low-range transfer cases. The low range provides torque multiplication for crawling through deep snow or heavy mud. High-grade versions add a locking rear differential, so power splits evenly across the rear axle when one wheel loses traction. Beyond trucks, the Scrum also comes as a van and wagon. The van configuration offers approximately 69 cubic feet of interior volume. Sliding side doors and a large rear liftgate make loading simple, so urban delivery services use these extensively. A practical Mazda. Mazda typically focuses on style over pure practicality. Look at the MX-5 Miata, the sleek CX-5, or the elegant Mazda 3, but the Scrum represents a complete departure from that approach. This K-Truck prioritizes function, efficiency, and capability above everything else. The Scrum measures just 133.7 inches in total length. That's barely over 11 feet. For comparison, a modern F-150 stretches well beyond 19 feet. The truck fits through narrow paths where full-size pickups can't go: garden centers, orchard rows, construction sites with tight access. The Scrum handles them all. The cab-over design creates this efficiency. By positioning the driver directly over the front axle, engineers eliminated the long hood. This layout maximizes cargo space while keeping overall dimensions minimal. The Scrum offers a 6.6-foot bed in a vehicle shorter than most crossovers. That's exceptional spatial engineering. Ground clearance reaches 6.3 inches, and the turning radius measures just 11.8 feet. Farms with uneven terrain, wooded properties, construction sites, the Scrum navigates them without bottoming out. The cab-over position creates a commanding view of surroundings. Operators see all four corners clearly. No massive hood blocking the view, no blind spots created by thick A-pillars. Cabin. Ask anyone who operates a UTV all day. The open-air design means freezing in winter, roasting in summer, rain soaks you, dust covers everything, and wind noise makes conversation impossible. 8 hours in those conditions leaves you exhausted before the work itself does. The Scrum's interior surprises people who expect basic accommodations. Modern models feature quality plastics and durable cloth or leatherette upholstery. The dashboard layout mimics contemporary passenger cars. Large doors open nearly 90 degrees, so most drivers slide into the cabin without climbing or stooping. The cab-over design provides excellent leg room. Storage solutions include an instrument panel box, glove compartment, door pockets, and cup holders. Power steering comes standard on KC and KX grades, and the truck handles effortlessly even when fully loaded. Here's where the Scrum truly separates itself. Powerful air conditioning handles scorching summers, while a high-output heater manages sub-zero winters. The enclosed steel cab provides rollover protection and weather barriers. You work in comfort regardless of conditions outside. Safety features exceed expectations for vehicles in this class. Modern Scrums built after 2018 include advanced driver assistance systems. Pedestrian detecting automatic emergency braking comes standard. Lane departure warning helps prevent accidents. Dual SRS airbags, ABS, and traction control round out the safety suite. Of course, all this doesn't mean much if the powertrain can't deliver the performance American roads demand. Powertrain. The current engine displaces just 658 cubic centimeters. That's roughly 40 cubic inches. The Suzuki-designed R06A inline 3 features double overhead cams and variable valve timing, and the output reaches 49.3 horsepower. The Scrum weighs only 1,631 pounds, so the power-to-weight ratio provides surprising performance. Fuel efficiency destroys domestic competition. Real-world driving returns 37 to 47 miles per gallon. That's more than double what typical American pickups achieve. For delivery businesses or farms making multiple daily runs, fuel savings quickly add up. Anyone considering a small truck for America has one major concern: highway safety and merging capability. A 49 horsepower engine simply won't cut it on Interstate 80 or when pulling onto busy highways. Getting rear-ended because your truck can't accelerate isn't an option. That's why Mazda is developing a larger displacement engine specifically for this market. The Japanese K regulations won't constrain the American version. Expect something between 1.0 and 1.5 liters. Turbocharging seems likely to maintain efficiency while boosting power, so the output will go well over 100 horsepower. That would provide genuine highway capability. Interstate travel becomes realistic. Merging into fast-moving traffic feels confident. Small trailer towing? Absolutely possible with proper power delivery. The four-wheel drive system will carry over unchanged. Part-time engagement saves fuel in normal conditions, while switching to four-wheel drive happens when terrain gets challenging. Of course, the low-range gearing enables slow-speed crawling, but even the best powertrain won't matter if the price puts this truck out of reach for most buyers. Launch date and price. Pricing represents the Scrum's biggest advantage, as base versions will cost just $7,000. Now compare that to the current offer on the compact pickup market. Things become pretty clear, right? Moreover, these trucks bring the latest fuel injection technology and comprehensive safety systems, and the price tag still remains thousands less than comparable UTVs, not pickup trucks. And unlike UTVs, the Scrum provides a fully enclosed, climate-controlled cabin. But the real headline price: $7,000 for base models. That's the target Mazda is setting for North American sales. It would make the Scrum the most affordable new utility vehicle in America. At the same time, maintenance costs stay exceptionally low. 12-inch tires rank among the cheapest in the automotive industry. Oil changes require just a few quarts. Parts availability benefits from the truck's mechanical similarity with the Suzuki Carry. We have no doubt that the Japanese automaker will organize a proper global supply chain and ensure components stay accessible. The North American launch timeline extends 2 to 3 years out. Mazda is currently developing that larger engine we discussed. Regulatory compliance takes time, especially for establishing proper emissions certification. Safety testing must meet American standards. Distribution networks need preparation for service and parts support. The Mazda Scrum represents something the American market desperately needs: a return to affordable practical utility without compromise. With its 6.6-foot bed, 3-way loading access, climate-controlled cabin, and upcoming highway-capable engine, this $7,000 truck delivers real capability that much more expensive pickups struggle to match. Farmers get maneuverability through tight rows, contractors gain access to confined job sites, and property owners find year-round versatility. When it arrives in 2 to 3 years, the Scrum won't just compete with expensive UTVs and oversized trucks. It'll create an entirely new category that prioritizes getting work done over looking impressive in a parking lot. And it won't be the only one. The Mitsubishi CEO just announced this company will be coming to North America as well, with the tiny truck called Minicab, which you can check out in our next video. It brings all the benefits of a K truck, plus it is available as a van, approaching an even wider range of potential buyers.